This is an example of data collection of traffic sites. You click on the form. Now the form will open, and at the top we see in the blue bar, we see at the left the cancel button, at the right the save button, and in the middle the GPS accuracy. Now the rest of the form may be clear. You see a sequence number, a name, a date, type, street, and some are marked with an asterisk indicating that these fields are required. When we press on the position, we get the GPS position. The surveyor enters his name, and then OK. The date uses the standard data control of Android. We select from a list the type of traffic signal, the state of the traffic signal, and then we click on the photo and the photo app opens. We take a picture of the traffic signal, press save if it's OK, and then you see that you have your complete data. When we press then the save button, the data is saved internally and then uploaded to the MyCumulus cloud, where you further can process it, view it, import it in Pythagoras, in Excel, or in any other application.